across New York, people move into new apartments, condos, and homes using rental trucks. Rental trucks are a convenient option for moving, but they're also capable of inflicting severe physical harm and considerable property damage. Pursuing justice is not entirely straightforward, but an experienced personal injury attorney can help you recover fair compensation for your accident expenses. Your options for compensation. Generally, your 4 options for compensation are no-fault or personal injury protection benefits, or PIP, third-party insurance claims, filing a lawsuit, and small claims court. New York's no-fault law requires all auto insurance policies to include personal injury protection benefits. This policy gets injured parties covered quickly, regardless of who is at fault. The downside is that personal injury protection only covers up to $50,000 worth of expenses, so you will likely need to pursue other options to recover additional compensation. Unlike no-fault, third-party claims incorporate the concept of negligence. This means essentially that a party acted carelessly when they had a legal duty to be careful. Negligent third parties could include other drivers, vehicle manufacturers, a state transportation agency, or any other party who is indirectly involved in the accident. Once you file a claim against a third party, their insurance adjuster will begin an investigation to determine who is at fault for the accident. The drawback here is that the same person who decides how much compensation is deserved is also the one responsible for paying it. Another option is to file a lawsuit. In order to do so, you must meet New York's lawsuit threshold. You can meet the threshold if you suffered a serious injury, have expenses exceeding $50,000, are suing on behalf of a deceased loved one, or don't meet minimum insurance requirements. One benefit of lawsuits is that they are decided by an impartial judge or jury, as opposed to an insurance adjuster. They may also include compensation for pain and suffering, and don't impose a maximum limit on your financial award. Small claims court is for monetary disputes of less than $5,001. Truck accident victims will sometimes file a small claim for property damage in order to fill in the gaps left by a no-fault claim, which is very limited in coverage. Determining liability after a rental truck accident. Rental truck accidents require you to consider the potential liability of at least 2 parties, the driver and the rental company. A driver could be proven negligent for speeding, distracted driving, aggressive driving, or other forms of carelessness. A rental truck company could be found negligent for leasing to an unlicensed or visibly intoxicated driver, as well as for failing to properly maintain the vehicle. Failure to properly maintain a vehicle can include bald tires, faulty brakes, faulty steering, or a defective back door. If you or someone you love has been the victim of a rental truck accident in New York, contact us at Rosenblum Law for a free, no-obligation consultation. We'll help you determine your options for compensation, handle all investigatory matters and legal paperwork, and negotiate the best possible settlement or bring your case to trial.